Hi, I'm Bobo.
And I'm Leanie Beanie.
And I'm Geritol.
And we're here courtesy of clownantics.com. We hope you enjoy our skit, Busy Bee.
I'm looking for my friend Bobo because I have this game and I know Bobo loves to play games. Oh, hello, Bobo. How are you?
Hi, Geritol.
Hi. Listen, do you love to play games?
I love games.
I have this wonderful game. Do you want to play it?
I guess I could play. What did it call? How do you play?
It's called Busy Bee.
Oh, Busy Bee.
And all you have to do is sit right here on this chair. But this is not a chair.
No?
It's a throne.
It's a throne?
Yeah.
Oh, wait a second. If that's a throne,
Yes.
you can't be too careful.
Oh. Okay. You sit down right there on your throne.
Now I can sit
And you
on
get to be the queen.
I'm not gonna be no queen.
Whoa. It's okay. It's okay. You get to be the ruler.
Can I be a yardstick?
No, you cannot be a yardstick. Are you ready to play the game?
I'm ready.
Okay. I'm gonna buzz around. I'm gonna be the worker bee.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna go buzz, 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 buzz. And then you say to me, worker bee, what have you got in the hive for me? And then I'm gonna give it to you.
I got it. Worker bee, busy bee, what do you got in the hide for me?
That's it.
Okay. I got it. Okay. He says I'm the ruler, the boss. Remember what he said. Here we go. I'm the boss. And all you're my subjects. Hey. Busy bee, what do you got in the hide for me? Oh! I don't like that. I'm not playing with you anymore.
Okay. All right, wait. Over here. Listen to me. I'm sorry I did that, but I had to show you how to play the game. So we're gonna find somebody else, and they're gonna play the trick on them, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Let's look around. Oh, look over there. Somebody. Oh! Okay, the game is yours now. Goodbye.
Hi, Leanie Beanie.
Hi, Bobo.
You like games?
Oh, I love games.
It's a good game.
It is?
It's called Busy Bee.
Busy Bee.
You don't have to do anything.
Nothing.
All you gotta do is sit down here on that throne.
Okay.
Okay?
Our throne.
You don't have to do anything. I'm gonna go around, collect all the honey from the flowers. I'm gonna come back to you and I'm gonna go, and you're gonna say, Busy Bee, what do you got in the hide for me?
Busy Bee, what do you got in the hide for me?
You like honey?
Love.
Oh, I'm gonna give you all the honey. You just
Okay.
get it.
Yeah. I'm the queen. I am ruling the universe. Yes, I have new great-grandchild coming.
You're supposed to say, Busy Bee, what do you got in the hide for me?
Oh, I was too busy thinking about the queen. You know. Okay, you want to try it again?
All right, let's try it once more.
Again.
You ready?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Ooh, being a queen is exhausting. Oh. Woo!
I'm not playing with you anymore. You don't play fair.
No?
No.
I was tired. It's hard being a queen. Okay, want to do it one more time?
Let's try it once more.
Once more.
Okay?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
You're supposed to say, Busy Bee, what do you got in the hide for me? Oh, I don't like this. I'll get you guys. Woo!
Hi, we call us clowns, and we hope you enjoyed our skit, and we hope you'll share it with your friends.
Bye.